World Diabetes Day, 14 November. What is World Diabetes Day? Globally, an estimated 422 million adults were living with diabetes in 2014 compared to 108 million in 1980. The global prevalence of diabetes has nearly doubled since 1980, rising from 4.7% to 8.5% in adult population. This reflects an increase in associated risk factors such as being overweight or obese. Over the past decade, diabetes prevalence has risen faster in lower and middle income countries than in high income countries. Diabetes is a major cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attack, stroke, and lower limb amputation. Healthy diet, physical activity, and avoiding tobacco use can prevent or delay type 2 diabetes. In addition, diabetes can be treated and its consequences avoided or delayed with medication, regular screening, and treatment for complications. In 2007, General Assembly adopted resolution designated 14 November as World Diabetes Day. The document recognized the urgent need to follow multilateral efforts to promote and improve human health and provide access to treatment and healthcare education. The resolution also encouraged member states to develop national policies for the prevention, treatment, and care of diabetes in line with the sustainable development of their healthcare systems. Thank you. Have a happy World Diabetes Day. Be active. Prevent diabetes.